Oh, it's FrizzyBri.
Hey Frizzy fam, it's Bri and today's video is about how to achieve the perfect twist out. So let's get into the tutorial. This video is not sponsored, but I did use some products sent to me by Briogeo. Their ingredients are natural and eco-friendly, and the ones I used in this video were specifically for coily hair. So I like to start off with my hair parted into 6 sections for manageability. I also like the sense of accomplishment I feel every time I finish each section. My hair was still damp from being freshly washed and conditioned. And that brings us to tip 1. Always work with damp hair. Damp hair is more elastic and manageable, and it helps your hair to absorb product. I like to use my mist spray bottle to keep my hair from drying out throughout the styling process. Next, you want to make sure to detangle your hair thoroughly. This will help you later on during the separation process. Tip number 3 is to use a gel or custard styling product over a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. My absolute favorite product combination for twist outs is the Carol's Daughter Percaxi Nectar Gel paired with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. However, in this video, I used the Briogeo products, and this is the consistency of their leave-in. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a full review of these products, but all in all, I do feel that they did a great job delivering a combination of moisture, hold, and definition. So on to tip number 4. Twist all of your hair in one direction. This ensures that all of your hair falls in the same way and adds to the cohesiveness of your style. I twist my hair as closely to the ends as I can, and then I coil it at the very bottom. Twisting my hair in the direction that my hair curls makes sure that the pattern of the twist matches the pattern of the coil at the bottom. My next tip is to create even twists. Even twists result in even curls. This is another tip that adds to the cohesiveness of your style. After finishing my twist, I allow them to air dry, and this is how I tie them up to go to sleep. The rest of my tips will be concerning the takedown process. Tip number 6, allow your hair to air dry for 24 hours. I'm sure that you're already aware that taking out twist while wet will not result in a good twist out. I have very dense, low porosity hair, so styling my hair in twists for a full day allows it to fully dry. Tip number 7, be gentle. Try to wait to take down your twists until you have ample time to do so. I was a little dramatically slow in this scene just so you could see the exact technique that I used to unwind my twists. To separate, I like to feel at the very root of my hair to feel where it naturally comes apart. This is why detangling at the beginning is so important. I feel that the next tip is kind of optional because I frequently forget to do it, but using an oil to take down your twists eliminates frizz and adds shine. The next tip is to remember not to over-fluff your hair. Separate gently at the beginning to avoid unwanted frizz because you can always go back and separate some more to add volume. Tip number 10, when you separate your hair, don't stop until you separate to the root. By this, I mean to literally take each section and separate until it reaches the root of your hair. This adds volume to the style and will make detangling easier on wash day. So those are all of the tips and tricks that I use to achieve my perfect twist out every time. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely leave any comments and questions below, and I'll see you again next time.